Hello, Junkaholics. Today we're going to scrap this Polar water cooler. Um, Today's video is being dubbed. Again, there's so much background noise. I didn't want it to be a distraction. So here I am just turning this around so you can see um, the information chart on it if you at all care. And so we'll get started. As with all my projects, first thing I do is cut off the cord, cut off the plug, get that out of the way. Then, of course, we're going to remove the screws. I'm going to do this in fast forward so you don't have to go through the pain. There sure is a lot of plastic on this. That piece I just put down on the left there, that's a piece of plastic. Um, it's just incredible how much plastic's in this thing. So it's definitely going to get recycled. I think this is some kind of a controller. I'm not sure. I'm filling me full of crap. I'm just taking it apart to see what's inside and if there's anything valuable at all in there. So the casing is actually steel or tin, as I'm showing you right here. And there's some shred. So that board there, as far as I'm concerned, is a low grade. I'll just take off a few items off there, like the extruded aluminum and the transformers. The rest is going to go in shred. This little board had 3 pieces of extruded aluminum and 2 transformers. And there's a little CMOS stuck to the side of one, so that's what I'm doing right there, is taking that off. And they are copper, so it's always worthwhile to take off copper. So basically, anywhere I find a screw or wires in the way, I'm just going to remove and replace it. I'm not going to tell you every time. So I'm just looking at the fan, which I'm just going to remove all the plastic, remove the fins, throw it in with my motors. And that piece below is just a block of foam with some plastic pipe running through it. So that just gets tossed away. I'm checking this little box, see what's in that. I imagine it's another circuit board. So after trimming some more wires, I'm looking at this blue box and decided that I'm gonna just pull it off. Found this little disc. It's not magnetic and it's really weird. I think it's some kind of a cast aluminum or non Inconel. There's some transformers, and then that board is just in the shred. So the rest of this machine was basically just plastic and shred. There's no sense showing you the rest. Um, it's just a big pile of poop. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you share and go ahead and subscribe. And we'll catch you next time.